4 signs of harmful disorders women ignore. Women are the ones who put others' needs before their own. They like to take care of everyone, even if it threatens their own life. There are a lot of ways by which women are more inclined towards being damaged physically and emotionally. In the modern era, where every gender is becoming more equal, many factors can impact a woman's mental and physical state more than men. With that being said, so many fatal and harmful diseases are becoming so common in the world. This is also making the life expectancy rate lower with passing time. To be a woman is to make sure you have the strength and courage to fight the negativities of the world. When a woman gives birth to a child, she's almost risking her own life to provide happiness to her family. There are not many choices for women if she wants to have her menstrual cycle or not. Menstruation is a painful and monthly experience for a woman, which can also associate many issues with it. Here are the 4 most harmful signs of disorders that women end up ignoring. 1. Changes in the breast. Breasts are one of the most cherished and valuable features of women that she dears a lot. Unfortunately, women are more inclined towards having breast cancer due to having sudden changes in their breasts. If you notice slight lumps in your breast but think it's nothing, it might be a great possibility of having breast cancer. It is highly recommended to decipher the sign of breast cancer as soon as you can, as it can be easily treated. If your stage of cancer has increased with time, there is not much you can do. If you notice red or wrinkled skin, lumps or aching, or pain in your breast, you should get yourself instantly checked by a doctor. 2. Extreme mood swings and sadness. As women are more fragile and overthinkers, they are at risk of developing life-threatening depression. Depression is a severe disorder that can make a person become the worst version of themselves. For instance, if you're constantly sad or crying without any specific reason, or you have so many mood swings in a day, you might be depressed. Depression is a treatable disorder with the right therapists and professionals. Depression is also possible in women after giving birth, which is also known as postpartum depression. Reach out to your doctor if you notice any changes in yourself and your moods before it completely breaks you down. 3. Excessive heavy bleeding in periods. Women are at a high risk of developing a deadly disease if they are bleeding more than they usually should. The reason for this could either be hereditary or a severe condition that should be checked ASAP. If your period lasts more than 7 days in a month with heavy bleeding of bright red color, then it might be a massive sign of a disorder. A standard period length ranges from 21 to 35 days, and they should be flowing in the normal range. Don't shy away from getting yourself checked by a gynecologist if you're experiencing such symptoms. You should keep your health as your first priority and do not let embarrassment take you away. 4. Pain during intercourse. Many women feel extreme pain when going through sexual intercourse, but do not feel comfortable sharing it with their partners. If you're someone who is experiencing this kind of pain and cannot find a solution, you should visit a doctor. Severe pain during sex can be a sign of multiple disorders. One of the most dangerous ones is having endometriosis, which can lead you to not give birth in the future. It happens when the vaginal tissues start to overgrow outside of the uterus. The best way to recognize it as an issue is when it persists and you cannot find a valid reason behind it. In addition to painful sex, watch out for pelvic pain, an excruciating period, and pain when you go to the bathroom. One of the first therapies for this disorder is hormone therapy, which gradually changes to other treatments if your problem gets more severe.